Have you ever wondered what would happen if a hand ended up underwater moving as fast as a bullet? This is abrasive water jet cutting, where water is pressurized and forced through a tiny hole. It becomes the world's sharpest blade. Many industries use this technique to cut through the metals. It can cut through almost anything, even multiple layers of bulletproof glass and diamonds. These guys made an artificial hand with bones as strong as the real ones. And when they slipped it under this machine, at first it sliced through the outer layer almost instantly. But when they left it under the cutter for longer, it even penetrated through the bones. Have you ever wondered how astronauts sip their hot coffee in zero gravity? You see, in zero gravity, liquid sticks to itself in pretty much anything it touches. So if they used regular cups, the coffee would just stick to the sides and the bottom, and they would have to shake the cup towards their face in a hope that some of the hot liquid breaks loose and floats towards their mouth, which sounds pretty risky. So they designed a special shaped cup, in which the fluid placed in it gracefully creeps up and parks itself right next to the lip due to capillary force and surface tension. As soon as this guy pushes this little car, it shoots off like a rocket and reaches incredibly high speeds in no time. You see, this is called tether car racing, where a model car with a tiny engine gets an initial push while being tethered to a central pivot, guiding it along a circular path. The guy in the middle helps the car quickly reach competitive speeds as it continues to accelerate, reaching over 200 miles an hour. The car with the highest average speed over a set number of laps is declared the winner. Now imagine the G-force a hamster would feel inside that car. Have you ever noticed how Japanese bullet trains have those really long noses? Now you might think it helps them go faster, but it's actually not true because the bullet trains in China and Europe are even faster than the Japanese trains and do not require really long noses. You see, the secret to this lies in Japan's landscape. Most of their train routes are full of tunnels with high-density populations around them. Back in the 90s, when their regular bullet trains passed through these tunnels, they used to create really loud sonic booms. The aerodynamic design of these noses significantly cut down the noise levels. This is an artwork from South Korea called the Round Table. It consists of 18 headless mechanical figures made of straw, each trying to claim a single head rolling on top while balancing a table on their backs. Whenever one of the figures lifts itself up to try to claim the head, the table tilts, causing the head to roll further away, ensuring the struggle continues. While the figures endlessly suffer, 3 large blackbirds circle above, representing the upper class watching the struggles of the working class below.